Akal, Jai Jinendra and Jai Shri Krishna. Welcome to the 5th annual function of Charming Kids Kidzi Bapunagar. अगर मैं यहाँ आज अपना इंट्रोडक्शन ना भी दूँ तो भी चलेगा क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आप लोग मुझे जानते हैं एंड इट्स ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ किड्जी बापूनगर. टीचर बनना कोई ज़्यादा मुश्किल काम नहीं है, लेकिन एक काबिल टीचर बनना, पेरेंट्स को ये यकीन दिलाना कि उनका बच्चा सेफ हाथों में है, ये थोड़ा सा मुश्किल काम है. लेकिन इस मुश्किल काम को हम हर टीचर के लिए बहुत इजी किया है हमारे चार्मिंग किड्स किड्जी बापूनगर के डायरेक्टर्स मिस्टर किरण पंचाल एंड मिसेस नैना पंचाल ने. Being directors, they have always shown all the teachers correct path. They have always thrown immense challenge in front of us, not only for making us work hard, but also to explore unique qualities that lie within us. जिस तरह से चार्मिंग किड्स किड्जी बापूनगर ने हमेशा से हम टीचर्स को बेस्ट टीचर बनने की हेल्प की है, उसी तरह से आपके बच्चों को बेस्ट स्टूडेंट एंड सक्सेसफुल स्टूडेंट बनाने की पूरी कोशिश करता है और इसका पूरा क्रेडिट जाता है हमारे डायरेक्टर्स को. तो ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स, टीचर्स, आई वुड काइंडली एंड very happy heartedly thank sir and ma'am. I would just like to say that heart is empty without love, mind is empty without thought, eyes are empty without dream, so is charming kids Kidzi Bapunagar empty without both of you. Thank you to both of you for giving us this kind of educational institute. अब without any further delay मैं वही करती हूँ जो करने का हर साल मुझे सौभाग्य प्राप्त हुआ है. मैं हूँ आपकी दोस्त एंड होस्ट मिस शिरीन, एंड विथ परमिशन ऑफ सर एंड मैम एंड बिहाफ ऑफ होल स्टाफ would wholeheartedly and with full of excitement welcome our chief guest, our cute little prince and princess, and none other than our super excited parents. I would happily take the responsibility of making the 5th annual function of Charming Kids Kidzi Bapunagar the most happiest day of your child's preschool life. और आप सबको यही शुभकामनाएं देना चाहूँगी. सुबह का सूरज सलाम करे, रात का चांद आपको आदाब करे, सारी दुनिया को खुश रखने वाला वो रब हर पल आपकी खुशियों का ख्याल करे. With this good wishes, we will begin the program. हमेशा की तरह कार्यक्रम की शुभ शुरुआत हम करेंगे दिया सेरेमनी के साथ. For this, I would kindly request few peoples to come up on stage. I would like to call on stage Mr. Jagdish Bhai Panchal, Mr. Sisodia, Mrs. and Mr. Ramji Bhai Panchal, and none other than our directors, Mr. Kiran Panchal and Mrs. Naina Panchal. They'll do the diya ceremony. Along with this, we would like to call on stage Kavisha Shah, Dikshita Soni, and Pat Thakkar from Senior KG. They will recite shloks with the diya ceremony. Please welcome the students and the guests. I would request all of you to take your seats and students will start the prayers.
You are
request everyone, please stand up for the national anthem. Thank you very much to all the students for this cheerful beginning. हमारे यहाँ कहते हैं कि अतिथि देवो भव। हमारे लिए आप सब अतिथि देव समान हैं, पर आज हमारे बीच कुछ ऐसे अतिथि भी मौजूद हैं जिन्हें यहाँ पर देखकर आप खुद भी गर्व महसूस करेंगे। तो आइए आपकी और मेरी तरफ से ऐसे ही गेस्ट का वेलकम करते हैं। I would kindly request our sir, Mr. Kiran Panchal, to come up on stage to welcome the guest. Shri Jagdish Bhai Panchal, MLA of Gujarat. Sir, please come up on stage. Thank you very much, sir. Now I would like to call on stage Mr. Sisodia, owner of Sanskriti School. Please, sir, come up on stage. Now I would like to call on stage Mr. Dilip Kothia. Mr. Dilip Kothia, sir, please come up on stage. Thank you very much, sir. Now we would like to call on stage Mrs. and Mr. Ramji Bhai Panchal, parents of Kiran, sir. Please, sir and ma'am, come up on stage. Thank you very much, sir and ma'am. And now I would like to call on stage हमारे Charming Kids Kidzi Bapunagar के धरोधर Mr. Kiran Panchal and Mrs. Naina Panchal. Please, sir and ma'am, come up on stage. Sir is already here, ma'am. Thank you very much, sir and ma'am. And now I would kindly request our sir, Mr. Kiran Panchal, to come here and share few words with us. Please, sir.
थैंक यू शिरीन कॉलिंग मी ऑन स्टेज। आपके होते हुए कोई स्टेज पे आ ही नहीं सकता माइक पे। गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। टुडे we all are gathering all together under one roof in a new year. So I wish all of you a very happy and prosperous new year. Our honorable guest, my brother and my dearmost friend and very energetic and fresh MLA, Shri Jagdish Bhai, Mr. Dilip Bhai Kothia, my mother and father, Mr. Sisodia ji, honor of Sanskriti School, and we have another guest, directors of Kidzi Navrangpura, Hetal ma'am, Mr. Husal sir, directors of Kidzi SG Road, Sonal ma'am, directors of Kidzi Bhopal, Mamta ma'am and SK Singh, directors of Kidzi Satellite, Mr. Ketan Vora. We have my another good friends here, and all of you, the parents and relatives of our child's students. I heartily welcome you on our annual program. As you know, this is our 5th annual day, and during the journey of 5 years, we got a warmth, cooperation and support from all of you. As you know, to run and operate Kidzi Center in Bapunagar, we have worked very hard and very honestly and politely. We did all our efforts and we become success to get the highest number of students in the Kidzi Bapunagar area. I will talk about the hard work. When I was in school, our one sir, when he entered in the class, and he immediately write a one sentence, very golden sentence he was used to write on blackboard. That was the sentence is, अथाक परिश्रमનો કોઈ વિકલ્પ નથી. It means there is no alternative of hard work. And we work very hard. And as a result, we could enroll 700 plus students during these 5 years. It is not possible without your support and cooperations. I would like to thank all the parents for their trust they put on us. I also thank our senior teacher, Mrs. Jaspal Kaur Bagga, and our attendant, Mrs. Anita Ben. Because they are associated since beginning, and we are at the age of 5. I wish, please continue your support, whatever you have given during the 5 years for coming next years. I have one sincere request to all of you. This is not a professional program. This is our school's students program. So please don't compare your child with any other child, because our choreographer has given equal training to each student. There is no partiality for anybody student. So please don't compare your child with any other student, whether they are performing better or not. And another one request to all of you, when the performance complete, please give your big clap to our student, because that will give a warm support to our students. Otherwise, if you all not clap, then our Shirin will come and say, "Bhai तालियां तो बजाओ." So please, ये नौबत नहीं आनी चाहिए. Without wasting a time, I request my team to present our charming star on the stage. Thank you very much. Enjoy the sweet moments. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for that good words. We are surely motivated from it. आप सब सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं कब से बस बोले जा रही हूँ, अब तक एक भी परफॉर्मेंस स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ, पर हम यहाँ रेडी है आज आपके सामने एक से बढ़कर एक परफॉर्मेंस की बारिश करने के लिए, वो भी इस सर्दी के मौसम में. To begin the function with धमाकेदार performance, here are coming धमाकेदार dancers. This event is choreographed by Mr. Akash Panchal. Please welcome on stage Mats dancers Aniket Chaudhary, Hanil, Pathakar, Diya Chavda, Kavisha, Aarti, Dhanvi Desai, Pranjal, Krisha Patel, Bansi, Yashashvi, Kasak, Jia, Prachi and Dhruvi, nursery, junior KG and senior KG students to present a welcome song for you. तो प्लीज जोरदार तालियों से इन प्यारे बच्चों का स्वागत कीजिए. That was really a nice performance and it was an awesome beginning. Thank you very much students for that energetic performance. हाँ जी, तो वेलकम स्पीच हो गई, वेलकम सेरेमनी भी हो गई एंड वेलकम डांस भी हो गया. Now is the time to jump towards next performance.
Good morning, teacher, and everyone here.
Good morning, Dikshita.
How are you, teacher?
I